Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve the 15 puzzle, and it's called the 15 puzzle because you've got these 15 numbers on 15 tiles, and the numbers start from 1 and go through to 15, and the puzzle is solved when all the numbers are in order. So what I'm going to do first is mix up all the numbers and then come back and show you how to solve this puzzle. Okay, so here we go. Start mixing. Okay, there we go. I've mixed up all the numbers, and then to solve this puzzle, you solve it in sort of 3 sections. So firstly, you solve this top row first, and then you solve the second row, and then the third and fourth row, you solve that together as the final solving of the puzzle. So to solve the top row then, we need to get, obviously we're going to solve the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 first. So move those numbers around to get them in order, and then move these numbers to the right hand column, which is over here, and then move them around and into place. So to do that we need the 1, so we'll start moving the 1 down towards the bottom like so. And then we need the 2. Oh, there's the 2. So I've got 1, 2, 3. Oh, and there's 4 there. So if I move them around like so, in that kind of an order, and then suddenly I've got the 1, 2, 3, 4 in order, and then I'll move them up around to this right hand column and move them up to the top to get them into place. So to do that, it's just a matter of making sure you keep them together, and then moving numbers out of the way in front of them, so that you can get them up here and into place. And so once you get them to here, then you really need to sort of be clearing this top number together, and then move that straight across, and that allows the 1, 2 and 3 and 4 to move around and into place. Okay, so space there, move it around, up, space there again, move them across and into place, space there again, and there we go, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are now in place. And so the next thing you need to do is to solve the second row, which is the 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now once you've solved one row, then don't touch it when you're moving the tiles around. Just concentrate on these numbers in the bottom section. So we need to get the 5 and the 6 together. Move that down, and there's the 5, 6 and 7 there. So if we move those around like so, then suddenly I've got 5, 6 and 7. And what am I going to do now? Okay, I've got to move that like that, unfortunately, to get a space, but it's okay. Get that back, 5, 6 and 7. And then I'll just spin that around as a bit of a loop, and then suddenly I've got the 5, 6 and 7 in place. And I'll move the 8 there like so, and spin those around like that, and now I've got the 5, 6, 7 and 8 in place. So what I need to do is, once again, is to move those over here into the right hand column, and then move them around like so to get them into this into that second row. So I'll move it up like that, and like so, and 7 there and 8 like so. I'll put the 11 there like that. 9, 10, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are all in order now, and then what I want to do is create a space up there, move them like so, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now what I'll do is make sure I've got I'll create a space there on the top left, 5, 6, 7, 8, make a space again, move them across, 5, 6, 7 and 8, space again, and one more move, and I've solved the second row. 5, 6, 7 and 8 numbers are now in place. And now the final one is I solve this third row and fourth row together, And the trick there is that you've got to get the numbers in this order: 9, 10, 11, 12, and after 12 you need 15, and then 14 and 13. So that's the order that you've got to get them in. So at the moment I've got 9 and 10 together, which isn't too bad. And if I move that like so, and move the 13 out of the way, then I've got 9, 10, 11 and 12. Oh, and I've got it there. And there we go, 15, 14, 13. I've got those in place. So that was a bit fortuitous. And you can see there, by getting them in that order, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 15, 14 and 13, when you start moving them around, that'll ensure that that final row, the fourth row, is in the right order. So just keep moving it around, creating a space here, over here on the left. Keep moving it around until, create a space there again, until you've got a 9 over there. So just move it around in that big loop. Obviously take it up right over to that right hand column, creating a space there, 9, 10, 11, 12, like so. One more, and it's in place. And by having the 15 after the 12, 15, 14, 13, once they're in the right order, once they're in that right order, then the 15, 14 and 13 are correct as well. So you can see there that that's all solved there. So I've got all the numbers from 1 to 15 in place, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 are all in order. Okay, well, hope you've enjoyed the video. It's a great fun puzzle that's quite simple to solve once you know how. Okay, thanks for watching, and goodbye.